Greetings everyone, this is Shah Khan, and in this lecture we're going to discuss about Wappalyzer. Wappalyzer is basically a plugin for Firefox and Google Chrome. Wappalyzer tells us about the services that are used in an application we are browsing. Once installed, you will see this kind of widget here, and once clicked you will be able to see all the services that are being used in the application. You can see here the operating system being used is this, and it's using PHP language and Amazon CloudFront as CDN and the web server. Just by opening the application or any website, you will be able to see all the services that are being used. As you can see in this side, it's using Gravatar, Outbrain, and Disqus as the commenting system. This is a very important tool when gathering information about an application. We can even detect CMS using this. Like suppose if an application is running WordPress, we can identify it, and even the version being used. On this side it's 4.9.1. So this is really important tool when performing a penetration test and when gathering information about what this site is using. Now as it's using WordPress, we can test it according to the WordPress testing techniques. So just like that. This tool is available for Firefox and Google Chrome. You can find it in there. We can also use the Wappalyzer.com to identify services on an application. Like for example, I'll be able to see all the services that are being used. And when the scan is done, you will see the crawling results and the services that it's using. Disqus, Google Analytics, and some other stuff. So that's all about the Wappalyzer.